Have a great day, dear students. Today we are going to see the chapter 15 which comes under the title e-commerce, and yesterday classes we had seen about business models, revenue models in e-commerce, and we see the differentiation between the traditional commerce and e-commerce. And today we are going to see the advantages and disadvantages of e-commerce and how to start a e-business and the steps involved in starting the e-business and how to create the online websites. So that and all we are going to see in today's classes. So first we are going to see about advantages of e-commerce. So as every system we are having both pith and falls, that is failure and success. So here in this e-commerce also we are having lot more advantages and disadvantages for a consumer. So first we are going to see about advantages. So what is an advantage of e-commerce? E-commerce system is operated on all days, all time. So it is able to conduct the business 24/7. So all the time. So the people can interact with the business at the time of their convenience. And second thing is communication delay is not the part of the internet. That is, the speed is the major advantage in e-commerce. In olden days, if you want to contact the merchant in online, it is highly impossible, and it can be made with telecom, and it is highly riskable thing. And nowadays it is with the help of technology, the electronic communication system was vastly improved, and the messages reach across the world instantaneously. That is, suddenly all of within 10 minutes or 2 seconds you can contact with the person in the entire world, and we no need to wait for the catalogs to arrive by the post. If you want to purchase a dress, we need a catalog. That catalog will be sent to the person by the post, and we have to wait for long more times. That is not that is avoided with the help of e-commerce. And so that here the second point is communication delay is not the part of the internet or e-commerce world. And then third thing is we can purchase the product, we can shop around the world, and we find the very cheaper and effective services or products, and we can buy directly from them without the interaction of bypass wholesalers. So that is what they are here saying. It is possible to explore the internet, identify the original manufacturer, and we can purchase the cheapest price. Purchase the product with cheapest price. And then next one, fourth point is the whole world become the shop for the today's customers. So we can have variety of choices. We can compare. In this website, this product is available for 1,000 rupees. In another website, we can get the same product with cheaper price. So we can compare the product. We can before making the purchase decision, we can compare and get the product with cheaper price. And the next point, the customer can shop from home or anywhere at their convenience. So from their home itself they can purchase the product. They can read the model number, they can read the features, and they can read the prices, and by giving the order they can from the home itself. And they can also give the payment. The payment also made through the online from their convenient place. So this is an advantages of e-commerce. And then what are the disadvantages of e-commerce? E-commerce are often used to buy the goods available not locally, all over the world. So any product in Paris we are going to got it now. We have to order easily, but we have to wait for the goods to be transported and reach us. So here the time taken to deliver the product from one place to another after placing the order. So this period, the waiting time to get the product in hand. So this is a very tedious process, and this duration customer is not able to wait patiently. ஸோ பொறுமையாக கஸ்டமர் வந்து வெயிட் பண்ண முடியாது. அப்போ இந்த டைமை வந்து இந்த இ-காமர்ஸ் கம்பெனிஸ் வந்து எப்படி ஹேண்டில் பண்ணுறாங்க? தே ஆர் அப்டேட்டிங் த ஸ்டேட்டஸ் ஆஃப் த ஷிப்மெண்ட். யுவர் ப்ராடக்ட், யுவர் ஆர்டர் காட் என்டர், வி ஆர் கோயிங் டு கெட் த ஆர்டர் வித்தின் 2 days, இட் இஸ் இன் தி டெலிவரி செஷன். லைக் தட் தே கிவ் த ஸ்டேட்டஸ் ஆஃப் த ஷிப்மெண்ட். Next, unlike the merchant, if we purchase a good, the goods got damaged, we can easily return back. But while we are purchasing a product through online, returning goods is not easiest thing, and we cannot easily return the good. Although if we want to return good, we have to contact the source place, and we have to make a contact with the who sell the project. We have to contact with them, have to send them emails, and we have to continuously have to send contact with them. And then if we want to need the fund reback, what we have to do? We have to exchange the product, and while we are returning the goods must be returned safely to the source place. So these are all the drawbacks while returning the goods through online. And the next topic is privacy issues are serious in e-commerce. That is, if you are going to purchase from the Flipkart, the Flipkart websites get the information, our entire information we want to enter with a credit card number. If you want to pay online, credit card number you have to enter. We have to enter our address and everything. We are giving more our personal information to the website, and those websites, if they are truthful to us, they'll save, they don't misuse our personal information. If many companies misuse the information and make money out of it, so we cannot trust a particular person in e-commerce, particular websites. So privacy issues are serious in e-commerce. Next topic, next point is physical product disputes. That is, yesterday I told, if it is a tangible goods or any goods, we can touch it, we can feel it, and we can buy the product. But here we cannot, we could see the picture, and the seller has to choose for us if the picture color is different from the real product. These are all the issues occur while we are purchased through online. And through internet, although it is having the visual and auditory information, it does not allow the full scope of our senses. That is what I have told. If you, in your book they give the example, if you purchase a perfume, we cannot smell the perfume. We can see the picture and we can order the goods, but that is the drawback. People will like to purchase the product by physically touch and feel the product. So this is one drawback of purchasing a product on e-commerce. Next, we could not think that ordering single ice cream or small things we can order through online. It is not possible. If you want to eat an ice cream in Paris, if you order, it will, although the food is refrigerator and reaches to your home, it will take time more than a week or 2 weeks. So here the internet need to survive the trip from the supplier to the consumer. It will take more time to reach to the consumer. So this is one drawback. So people should not order any costliest product or any small product on the internet. So this is a drawback for the internet. Then delivery ambiguity. That is, while you are giving the product to the consumer, the business must be very genuine, must be trustable. So if you place the order, if we pay the money, and we have to wait for the goods to be delivered to us for lot more time. So within that period, if they cheat us, how we can manage that, or where to complain that? So this will create a problem. So even if the item is sent, it is easy to start bothering whether it will arrive on time. So that is a great drawback of delivering the product in accurate time. So this is was said to be comes under the heading delivery ambiguity. And here we have seen about advantages and disadvantages of e-commerce. Next topic we are going to see about how to create or start an e-business. So with the help of websites only we are going to start our business. So in real life if you want to going to start a business now, you see the place, you order, and to the government you have to register the business and got the business license and GST license, and you have to start the business. But in online, that is while you are starting e-business, we have to first define the business structure and you have to register our business. So whether it is a sole proprietor business or partnership, in partnership you are going to start a business, first you have to register the business with the details of business name, trade name and type of company, and we have to register and obtain the GST registration documents from the government, and then we have to start the process immediately by creating the particular websites. Next, tax registration. So after creating a company must have registered with tax department. In India, registration with GST and the other tax norms are necessary to begin or selling the goods on the online. Next, business bank account. So first we have register our business, we have register the tax, and then next what we are going to do is we are going to create a business bank account. So once a company is registered successfully, next step is apply for the bank account in the name of the online venture. Next, payment gateway. So what is payment gateway? It while we are creating, we are starting a business online. So we are selling the goods and the user is paying, that is consumer is paying the amount to us in different ways with the help of credit cards, debit cards or internet banking. So our websites allow the customer to make their payments in whatever ways they like. So we have to make the customers or make the payment online, automatically get transferred to our business account, business bank account. And then next is Shipment Solution. This is a field right now in this quarantine time. This is a right field which is running all the time. If you are placing an order now, it is delivering to our door with the help of this session. This session is called Shipment Solution, shipping and logistics. So while you assume that you have created a company, and in your company you are going to sell a product. You have made the product and you are going to sell the product. You don't know how to sell the product now. There is a company called logistic companies which are help the users to deliver their product to the consumers or customers. So they act as a in between, that is third party logistic companies, in between the manufacturer and the consumer. So this is studying as a course in BBA Logistics. It's a course which is helps to create or deliver the product between the manufacturer to the consumer. And then next, identification suppliers. So as we have created a business, we have created an account, and we have delivery வரைக்கும் எப்படி வந்து ஒரு goods வந்து டெலிவரி பண்ணணும் அது வரைக்கும் நம்ம பார்த்தாச்சு. நெக்ஸ்ட் டாபிக் இஸ் ஐடென்டிஃபைங் சப்ளையர்ஸ். யாருக்கு டெலிவரி பண்ணணும், யாருக்கு இந்த பொருள் தேவைப்படுது, இல்லை நம்மளுக்கு இந்த குட்ஸை கொடுக்குறவங்கன்னா அவங்க அந்த suppliers, the best suppliers for the best quality and best prices we have to search for. And நம்ம ஒரு பொருளை விற்கிறோம் அப்படின்னா நம்மளோட பொருள் வந்து எப்படி இருக்கு, பெஸ்ட் குவாலிட்டியோடு இருக்கணும், பெஸ்ட்டு ப்ரைஸ் ரேட்ஸோடு இருக்கணும். அதுக்கு நம்ம என்ன பண்ணணும், 4 இடத்துல போய் we have to discuss about the product quality, product prices. So we should shop around until we find the best supplier or suitable supplier. Next topic is marketing. So using internet or social media, we are going to market our product by giving advertisement. In social media, we can post and we can create attractive logos and we can write the blogs. With the help of social media, we can easily market our product. Next topic is right technology. So we have undercome so many steps while creating e-business, and the last step is right technologies. If there is an updation in technology, we must adapt to the technology. So updating our technical knowledge will give in hand in e-commerce. So technology makes so much of our work easier. So here we should be familiar with some of the basic entities like customer relationship management, accounting, project management, how to communicate with other people, and how to market our product. So everything you must be update yourself. You must gain knowledge about these topics to develop your e-business.